Hey friends and family, happy Friday and welcome back. Today I'm going to be making collard greens and vegan crab cakes. If this is your first time joining us, we are so glad to have you. Now let's get cooking. Now, while the collards are cooking, I'm going to make the crab cakes. Sorry guys, my camera died. Here you'd also add in 2 tablespoons of just egg substitute. Now I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of grapeseed oil to my hot skillet so that I can go ahead and fry up my crab cakes. Let's taste the greens and the crab cakes, and let's get the honest opinion of myself and Alana. Look at that beauty. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my goodness. That's good. Oh my goodness. Good. Let's get a taste of these greens, Alana. Yummy.
It's really good.
What do you think of the crab cake?
They taste good. I'm used to having salmon cakes. I don't think I've ever had a crab cake, but I have tried crab before. I'm not really fond of crab, but this is really good.
I don't know about how many of you eat tomato with your meal. Try it. Give it a try. I have sriracha on my cakes because I love it hot. So good.
Are you still recording?
Being the seafood lover that my husband is, he didn't take to it all the way. Although he did say it tasted like fish. But to me, it is absolutely delicious. I love it. Love it. Love it.
It's really good.
Okay, I am ready to get into this plate. It is so yummy. I hope that you guys will give it a try. Before you leave, don't forget to give your girl a thumbs up. Go down in the comment section and let us know what you think about the meal. Don't forget to hit the subscription button down below. Make sure that you hit that notification bell so that when I put up a video, you'll be amongst the first to know. Thank you again and have a wonderful evening. We love you.
Bye.
Bye-bye.